Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this yummy fish masala fry. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी कोडिया रे देखियो चाहउछंती देन तळे थियो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. First take 500 grams of fish in a bowl. I have taken Rohu fish here. To that add half tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. Mix and coat the fish well. Then heat 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a kadai and shallow fry the fish. Flip and fry from both sides. The fish is perfectly cooked now. Shallow fry all the fish pieces like this. Now for preparing the masala paste, in a blender jar add 1 roughly chopped onion, 1 inch ginger, 12 to 15 cloves of garlic, 4 dried red chillies and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Blend to make a paste. Now add 1 roughly chopped tomato and blend again. Our masala paste is ready. Now heat the same oil we fried the fish in and add half teaspoon of sugar. Let it melt and get brown. After it's browned, add 1 thin sliced onion, 1 slit green chilli. Saute till the onion turns golden brown. Now add the prepared masala paste. Mix it well with the onions. To that add salt according to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix and cook the spices well. Our spices are cooked well now. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix with the spices. Now add few chopped boiled potato. This is completely optional. As I am an Odia, I am bound to add potato to all the curries. Now add the fried fish pieces. Coat well with the spices. Now to finish it off, add few chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. Our spicy and yummy fish masala fry is ready now. Have it with rice or roti. This dish goes perfectly well with everything. This is just so delicious and amazing. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.